Out here we see the actual programming interface. It's based on Blockly, which is a Google framework that Robotics has customized to fit our needs. It contains a number of different blocks. We have blocks for moving the mobile platform. We have blocks for moving the manipulator. We have vision blocks, and we have blocks for controlling the I/O. Then we have a number of general programming blocks, for example, loops or logic, and we have blocks for communicating with the robot's environment, for example, via OPC and REST. And to do a demo with this programming interface, I've prepared a small flow here where we have our programming block here, which is the main program of what we're going to do. The first thing I'm going to do is to drag a safe home block into this programming block. It's a move PTP block, which is a block that moves the manipulator. You can define velocities and accelerations and so on. And in the actual waypoint in here, you have some joint configuration that's defined to be inside the mirror footprint. After that, I'm going to put in a mirror drive command. So I'm going to drive to a position where I can pick the box I'm going to pick. It's also defined by some coordinates in the mirror map. Then I'm moving the arm to a position where I can see the marker on the rack that I'm going to pick from and place in. Then I'm going to add a vision block for detecting the marker. And what this vision block is that it detects the marker and it saves the result in this marker ref variable. Then I'm adding two move commands, or two move waypoints that will move the arm down to the box and in a position where the box can be picked. Then I'm closing the tool, and then I'm moving the box up to the actual rack. And these positions are defined relative to this marker ref that we found with our vision block up here. So all the movements that we do in these blocks are relative to that visual marker in the environment. Then in the end, I'm going to add an open tool to actually let go of the box in the position where I planned.
And now the robot is moving. Driving up to the rack here, check the marker. And now we're grasping the box. This is like a typical replenishment task, grasping boxes, bringing them into a flow rack.